Hi, I just got this delivered from police department today, and it's a thank you because we support the Do the Right Thing as well as Shop with the Cops. So let's see what's all in here. Got this medal. It says Do the Right Thing, and some great stuff on it: commitment, empathy, tolerance, honesty, courage. Great words to go by. Got an umbrella also. And okay, I'm not good at unpacking, I guess. Yeah, I'm gonna get some scissors. Okay, so we got the scissors. Much easier. Let's see here. Well, we've got this family. This looks like a backpack. Another backpack. Uzis and pens from the police department. Up. Another. Oh wow, we've got really nice up here with some perfect kissing in there. This, I'm not sure what it is. Oh, another bag. Baseball. Another cup. One bottle. Another insulated cup. Service. Another service cup. Got little diaries. Let's see here. Oh, Band-Aid. Football. Another bag. These are actually kind of cool for shopping. Another notepad. Oh, some scratch a fall and see what you win. Wow, we've got a lot of things. Another bag. And oh my God, there's more stuff. Oh, that's kind of cute thing. Pin. Band-Aids, more pens, and another bag. Choose nice fabric. What's this nice? It's got a nice colors and everything. Reminds me of a Rotary logo that we had a few years ago. Yeah, that's it. And wow, this is a lot of swag.